Today we will learn how to manage and create default and revisit flow in the BotPenguin. First of all, on the home page, select the bot for which you want to manage the revisit flow and the default flow. Now click on edit your chat flow. Here you will see all the flows that you have created so far. Now here you can see that we have a column for default flow and a revisit flow. So basically, default flow is a flow that triggers whenever a fresh user interact with your bot. Let us suppose a user that has not interacted with your bot in the early time, then a default flow will be triggered. Now if that particular user again visited your bot, then a revisit flow will be triggered. A different flow will be triggered and you can enable it from here. So you can choose from these available flows which you want to be your default flow and your revisit flow. Then we have also a button for creating a new flow. You just click on create new flow. Here you have to enter the name for the flow and click on create flow. And now here in the canvas you can create your new flow. Coming back to here, you can see that there are 4 actionable buttons that we have given. You can edit the flow by this given button. Then you can delete this flow. Then we have a button for downloading the flow. Then here you can edit the flow name. If you want to rename the flow, you can do it from here. There is an option for import flow also. Click on the import flow button. You have to select the file and make sure that the file has to be in the JSON format. It's already mentioned here also. So just upload the file here and your flow will be imported and you can use that flow as a default flow or a revisit flow. So this was all about your default flow and the revisit flow for the WhatsApp bot. Thank you very much.